Hey there, rainbow chasers. Have you ever looked up after a rainy day and spotted a big, beautiful rainbow stretching across the sky? Ever wondered why it always has 7 colors and not, say, 32? Or why it shows up like a magical sky smile just when the sun peeks through the clouds? Well, today we're diving into the dazzling world of rainbows to uncover the sneaky science behind those stripes. Grab your invisible umbrellas and hold on to your gumboots, because this story is about to get wet, wild, and wacky. First things first, light. Plain old daylight looks white, right? But plot twist, it's not just one color at all. Daylight is actually a rainbow disco made up of all the colors mixed together. It just hides them really well, like a chameleon at a paint party. This is called white light, and it comes from the sun. The sun is basically a giant ball of exploding light spaghetti, sending beams all over Earth. Don't worry, it's the friendly kind of spaghetti. Now imagine it rains. The sky throws a zillion teeny tiny water droplets all over the place. These droplets aren't just sitting around doing nothing. Nope. They're like little color chefs, slicing and dicing sunlight like it's a giant glowing onion. When sunlight hits these droplets, the light bends and bounces inside them. This amazing light show is called refraction, and it's the first magic trick that turns white light into a rainbow. Let's break it down. When light goes from one thing to another, like from air into water, it slows down and changes direction, kind of like sliding from a tile floor onto jelly. Whoops! That bending is refraction, and as light bends, it also starts to split into its different colors. That's because each color travels at a different speed through the droplet jelly. Red takes a chill route, while blue zooms around like it's late for school. So inside that droplet, the light bounces and bends. And pop! It bursts out of the droplet as a bunch of separate colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. ROYGBIV. The 7 colors, the Rainbow Squad. They show up in a specific order because each color bends a slightly different amount. It's like a conga line where red is the leader and violet is trying to catch up. Cha-cha-cha. You might be thinking, wait, why 7? Is it just a rainbow rule? Kinda. Sir Isaac Newton, you know, the apple bonk scientist guy, decided to divide the rainbow into 7 parts to match the 7 musical notes. Was that scientific? Uh, kind of. It made sense to him. But really, there are millions of colors in a rainbow. Our eyes just happened to notice the main ones, and Newton gave them names. Thanks, Isaac. So why does the rainbow appear in the sky like a giant arc? That's because of geometry. Yes, that subject you thought was just for drawing triangles. Each droplet sends out color at a certain angle, about 42 degrees for red and a bit less for violet. All those droplets together shoot colors at just the right angles to form a glowing arc in the sky. It's like a stadium wave of water droplets shouting, "Colors!" Sometimes you see a second rainbow above the first one. That's a double rainbow. It happens when light bounces twice inside the droplet before coming out. The second arc is fainter and flipped, like a rainbow doing a somersault. The colors go backwards and everything. If you ever see one, yell, "Whoa!" really loudly. It's science law. Can't find a rainbow in the sky? No worries. You can make one at home. Just grab a glass of water, a mirror, and a flashlight. Put the mirror in the water at an angle and shine the flashlight on it. Ta-da! You might spot a tiny rainbow on your wall. It's the same science, just mini-sized, plus no soggy shoes. Let's bust some myths. Myth 1, there's gold at the end of the rainbow. Nope, that's just fairy tale finance. Rainbows don't touch the ground. They're circles. We only see the top part because the ground gets in the way. If you were in an airplane and looked down at the right moment, you could see a full rainbow circle. Still no gold, though. Here's a secret. Rainbows aren't just beautiful. They also tickle your brain. The colors stimulate the part of your mind that loves order, surprise, and shiny things. Plus, they only show up when rain and sun are playing together, which feels like the sky throwing a party. A rainbow party with sky cake and color confetti. Did you know that people all over the world see rainbows differently? Some cultures have different names or numbers of colors. In Japan, they often count 6 colors. In Namibia, some ancient tribes had only 3-color names for the rainbow. And in Australia, some Aboriginal stories say rainbows are giant sky serpents. Not the scary kind. Can you see rainbows in space? Sort of. There's no rain, but scientists use special telescopes to break apart starlight into rainbow colors. This helps them learn what stars are made of. It's called a spectroscope. So yeah, even alien planets might be checking out their own cosmic rainbows. Space fashion. Here's the twist ending. There are colors in the rainbow your eyes can't even see. Infrared and ultraviolet are part of the rainbow, but invisible to humans. Some birds and insects can see them. So while we get 7 lovely stripes, bees might be seeing 10. Lucky bugs. Want to go further? Try shining light through a prism or a CD. Those shiny discs can split light into rainbows too. It's like carrying a rainbow generator in your backpack. You can even make rainbow slime using clear glue, baking soda, and a touch of science. Warning, extreme color joy ahead. Rainbows have inspired everything from songs like Somewhere Over the Rainbow to flags, storybooks, and unicorn birthday cakes. Artists use rainbows to show hope, pride, and even peace. In stories, they're often magic bridges or secret treasure maps. Turns out, the science of rainbows is cool enough, but the imagination they spark is endless. So next time you spot a rainbow, remember, it's not just pretty, it's proof that light is a color-splitting magician, water droplets are little optical engineers, and your eyes are amazing color detectors. Rainbows are nature's way of showing off, and we are here for it. Thanks for chasing the rainbow with us, Super Spark scientists. If your socks are now more colorful than ever and your brain feels like a box of crayons, you're welcome. Be sure to check out our other super fun science videos like Why Can't You Sneeze with Your Eyes Open? And The Real Reason Feet Stink. Subscribe to Super Spark Science, where curiosity is always in color.